Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, January 30, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayon Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayon January 30, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 27 million pesos. Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 55 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 82 million pesos for January 30, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.